well as good faculty members, as well as all the industrial parties, all industrial experts in front of ours. We need to enhance our skills as well as knowledge. So that definitely in the CTES program we have learned a lot. And thank you so much, Hooghly Engineering Technology College. Basically, very enjoy this program.
I would like to say that I have attended many FDPs in other colleges also, but I found this FDP specially stand out. It is quite different and unique because all the speakers, they started from the very basic concepts which we could follow, and they gradually went up to the higher level. Found this very special, and also all the technical sessions we could assimilate very easily and we could follow them very easily.
As per me, it is a perfect FDP.